Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a new beauty subscription service that has started. They asked me to review their bag and I thought you guys might really enjoy this video because you guys really enjoyed the Fab Bag unboxing videos, and I thought you guys might be interested to know about newer, more beauty subscription services. So let's get started with the bag. This subscription service is called Lady Raga and their concept is a little different from ND Box or the Fab Bag. What they do is they combine fashion as well as beauty. So they send out a box or a bag, it may be different every month, filled with 2 jewelry items as well as 2 makeup items plus 1 surprise gift. So that would be the thing that you don't know what you're getting, and everybody would get something different as a surprise gift. So each subscriber will get the same jewelry items and the same makeup items, but the surprise gift will be different for everybody. So if that's something that interests you, you can definitely check out their website. I think it's called ladyraga.com. I will link it down below for you to check out. And let's get started with what I got in my bag. So this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it's a plastic pouch. It's a little bigger than the Fab Bag, and I think this is great to carry as a travel bag like everything else. And it has a chain in the front where you have a card that tells you all about what you're getting in the bag this month. But I don't like to read that, I like to be surprised. This is not an unboxing because I have opened this bag, so I know what's inside, but I haven't used anything, but I know what's inside. So this is not an unboxing, this is just me showing you what I received in my Lady Raga September bag. So then you go inside and then there are all the products. I'm going to start with the jewelry first. The first thing I have here is this gold cuff. As you can see, it looks like that. It's pretty nice. It's trendy. Gold cuffs go with everything. I think I'm gonna wear it. Gold cuffs go with everything and it looks really nice, and that is such a statement, everyday classic piece that every girl should own. So I'm really happy with this gold cuff, and I wear gold jewelry a lot, so I really like gold cuffs. What do you think of this? Let me know. All cuffs and things tend to fit a little loose on me because I have really small wrists, so I have to tighten everything really well to make it fit onto my wrist. Everything comes bubble wrapped, but as I said before, I opened everything, so nothing is bubble wrapped here, but everything comes nicely bubble wrapped. The next thing I have is this soft nail power lasting nail color, and this is a red shade. I have never heard of this brand, but this I'm assuming is one of the beauty items in my bag. So that is the shade. I don't know what the shade is called because it doesn't have a shade number or a shade name. It just says soft nail power lasting nail color, and that is what that looks like. I haven't heard of this brand, so I don't know how this nail polish is. Moving on, I have a liquid liner. This is by the brand Seven Heavens and it's a photogenic waterproof liquid liner. That is what that looks like. I haven't opened this, and this is a liquid liner, Black Beauty. I don't know how much this retails for. Let's open it. Again, I haven't heard of this brand. This is called Seven Heavens. If you know about this brand, please let me know, or if this brand has any star products that everybody should know about, please also leave a comment below if you have heard of this brand before. And this is a photogenic liquid liner, looks like that, and let's swatch it. So swatched, as you can see, it is pretty black. I am interested to know what kind of finish it has once it sets, because I like my liquid liners to look matte. I don't like glossy liquid liners. Then we have this lipstick by CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl Blast Flip Stick, and it has lipsticks at both the ends, and let's swatch them. I haven't swatched these, so that is what that looks like. I hope you can see that. That is what that looks like. That's the first shade, and it looks like a lilac, frosty lilac shade. Yeah, it is a frosty lilac shade. That is what that looks like. I hope you can see that. And the other one looks like that. That looks a little bent. Let's see what this looks like swatched. That's a pretty shade there. So that's a pinky red corally shade, and both of these have like a semi-matte glossy finish, which I personally don't wear. I personally wear matte lipsticks. So this was the next thing in my bag. This is by CoverGirl. So we don't usually get CoverGirl in India, so it's a nice thing that they're sending out CoverGirl products. Then we have another jewelry item. I haven't opened this as well. Oh, so this is a necklace and earring set. That is what that looks like. That is the winged necklace. and then it has matching earrings. I think the necklace is really beautiful, and a subscription only costs 700 or 650 rupees or something. I'll put it in the description box. But for that amount of money, you're getting so many products, and I think this necklace is really beautiful. I'm not sure about the earrings, but I really do like the necklace. I think it's pretty great. The last thing in my bag is this surprise gift. This is going to be different for everybody, and they do wrap the surprise gift in a gift wrapper, which of course I took off. So this is by Sebastian, and this is a Shaper Clean Gel, blow dry gel for body and volume. So this, I'm assuming, is a hair blow dry lotion kind of thing, and that is what that looks like. So this is going to be different for everybody, and smells like hair. Oh, got some on my nose there. Smells like hair products. Their surprise gifts range from 500 rupees to 3000 rupees. That is what they say. So you can get a surprise gift ranging from anywhere within that price. And that is all, I think, in my bag. So rounding up, I have 3 beauty products. The first thing I have is the CoverGirl Blast Flip Stick. The full size retails for 1100. Then we have the Seven Heavens Liquid Liner, full size retails for 400. Now we've already recovered the value of the bag. The third thing is the Elvin Power Lasting Nail Color in the shade Red, and the full size retails for 69 rupees. So those were the 3 beauty products in my bag. Then coming to the jewelry, the handcuff retails for 325 rupees. The necklace with earrings retails for 525 rupees. So you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in your bag. I think that is a great deal for 650 rupees. I think that's the price of their bag. And you also get this reusable bag. You may get a box 1 month, or you may get a bag 1 month. So that is the thing about them. They make every month different, and the products inside will be the same. Only the surprise gift will be different for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Lady Raga September bag. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and remember to follow me on all my social media. Of course, all the links are mentioned in the description box. Before I forget, I know some of you may be interested to know the lip color I'm wearing. I am wearing this bold purple lip. And lipstick is by Sleek Makeup. It's called Mystic. It's a matte lipstick, and that is what that looks like. It's a beautiful matte purple shade, as you can see. And I've also used a liquid lipstick on top. This is the Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Fandango Purple. There is the swatch right there. As you can see, it is gorgeous. And now this is one of my favorite fall lipstick combos. I'm going to be filming a big beauty haul next. This is a UK beauty haul. If you're excited to see that, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video, and give your wonderful comments below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.